Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today, guys, I was going to make a curry shrimp in coconut milk, right? I got some shrimp today. I said I'd make a nice special meat for my husband because I haven't cooked shrimp in a very, very long time. Plus, I'll be able to do a recipe for my channel at the same time. But I got it in my fridge and realized I didn't have any curry. No curry in the fridge, man. So I'm making up something today, and let's see what I get done. It's basically I'll do basically like a shrimp and coconut milk sort of thingy, and I'm going to use some turmeric powder to give it a little color, an extra flavor to make it look like a, a curry shrimp. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to basically season the shrimp. This is about 12 ounces of shrimp that I got is cleaned and deveined, and we like to leave on the skin on the tail. We like it like that. So these are quite little. They're not that big, but nice little size. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt. I've got some lumps of salt in there. Let me just take out that. I'm going to add some black pepper. And I have 2 tablespoons of homemade green seasoning. And this is about a teaspoon of homemade dry basil leaves. I got some lemon pepper, some garlic powder, I'm just going to mix everything together. As you see, I'll have here on the side here, I have 1 cup of coconut milk. This is when I actually cooking the shrimp, and I have about a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm chopping up 1 onion to put everything together. Okay, so here's my frying pan on the stove. The first thing I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil, canola oil I'm using here. And I'm going to add 1 red onion that I sliced up thinly. My fire is on medium heat right now. I'll just allow the onions to sweat a little bit for like a minute or 2. Now I'm going to just sprinkle the turmeric powder. That's, like I said, about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a quick mix. I'm going to add the shrimp, already seasoned shrimp. Now, of course, you know the shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so let me just let it simmer for like a minute. I'm going to add the coconut milk. Let that simmer for like 2 minutes. Then I'm going to turn off the stove. Let's just add the coconut milk now. This is like 1 cup of coconut milk. And let that simmer. Absorb all the flavors. Oh gosh, Ollie, you wouldn't believe. Simple as this is tasting so good, right? I just added a little bit more salt, and of course it needed some pepper sauce, more pepper sauce, pepper. So I'm going to add, this is about a teaspoon of homemade pepper sauce. And I'll give that a quick mix and turn off my stove. My husband would super love this. He'd be super happy with this, I'm sure. Like I said before, I haven't done shrimp in a long time. The reason being is that shrimp is kind of pricey in Tortola, you know. So I'm done. Look at how nice and creamy that is, you know. This is a winner. So you know what? I didn't miss the curry. My regular curry, I should say. So I'm all done. I have a nice little gravy and I'm good to go. Yeah, baby. Okay, folks, so here's my simple shrimp in coconut milk with a bit of turmeric powder added to it. That is tasting so good, guys. So good. I am not disappointed, and I know my husband would not be disappointed. And we'll have a feast tonight. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I didn't mention that I'm serving it with some rice, with some pumpkin rice. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.